How do I merge two audio files on my iPhone?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to explore a simple method to merge two audio files on your iPhone. It's an easy process that can be accomplished with the help of third-party applications, as the iOS system does not natively support audio merging. Let's get started.
What app should I use to merge audio files?
Since iOS doesn't provide a built-in solution for this, we're going to use a third-party app. There are many apps out there, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on GarageBand, a powerful, yet user-friendly, audio editing tool which is free and made by Apple itself. You can download GarageBand from the App Store if it's not already installed on your iPhone.
How do I import audio files into GarageBand?
After you've installed GarageBand, launch the app and follow these steps. 1. Click on the plus icon to create a new project. 2. Choose the audio recorder option from the instruments section. 3. Tap on the multi-track icon on the top left. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. 4. On the new screen, tap on the loop icon. It looks like a loop of tape on the top right. 5. From the drop-down, choose Files, and then Browse Items from the Files app. 6. Locate and import your audio files from your iPhone storage.
How do I merge the audio files?
Now that you have both audio files in GarageBand, let's merge them. 1. Drag your audio files onto the timeline. You can place them one after the other in the order you want them to play. 2. When you're satisfied with how the files are positioned, tap on the downward arrow in the top left corner to go back to the My Songs page. 3. Your project will be automatically saved as My Song.
How do I export the merged audio file?
After you've merged the audio files, you need to export your new audio file. 1. From the My Songs page, press and hold your new project. 2. A menu will appear. Select Share. 3. Choose Song from the options, then select the quality you prefer. 4. Finally, choose where you want to export your merged file. For example, you can save it to your Files app or send it via email. And there you have it. You've just merged two audio files on your iPhone using GarageBand. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any advanced technical skills. You can use it anytime you want to combine your favorite audio tracks. We hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.